So my name is Ian Aranjo, and we bought this home about 4.5 years ago.
So I'm Bev Francis. With my husband and myself, we decided to renovate our basement.
We were referred, to the Level Up group. They were one of the many vendors that we reviewed, interviewed, got proposals from.
When we met with Mike in Level Up, we realized right off the bat that we had an amazing connection and that he could see the vision, and he brought what we wanted for this basement through to life.
They were not the cheapest. They were also not the most expensive, but we found Michael's, promptness, his transparency to be something that convinced us to work with him.
Both Ian and myself found the process of working with Mike extremely smooth. From the design and initial consultancy phase through to execution of the project.
There's no surprises, right? In terms of materials, in terms of timeline, in terms of completion dates, everything was adhered to.
It's a beautiful product. It's exactly what we asked for. The experience was better than we could have imagined. We've all heard of, difficult experiences in the past working with different tradespeople, but with Mike, it was as smooth as ever.
One thing I asked myself is, would I use Level Up Group again? And without a doubt, the answer is yes. For any future projects, future homes, investment properties, extremely happy and would definitely use Michael and the Level Up Group again.
I highly, highly, highly recommend Mike. This is the guy to do your basement to your satisfaction, works with your budget, works with your ideas, and also helps and guides you along the way. He's a true professional, and we couldn't recommend him any more highly than we are.